Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, as you can see the background, I'm by the Princess Hospital. Yeah, and I was like now around after 1:40 something in Jamaica time. Yeah, I'm come by the hospital to deliver some stuff to my baby mother, and it was like oh God, we carry a little princess, guys, yo. See her mommy and stuff, and she have to stay like upstairs at the building waving downstairs to me. Them was like saying she cannot go inside, the baby cannot go inside because them change up stuff, so the baby cannot see her mom. And that was like from the mother in the hospital from night before last. Tuesday night. Yeah, the baby, the mother in the hospital. You see me? And actually, me can't even go up there because me can't leave a baby with nobody. So actually, me have to send the stuff them, you know? And me look on it, if she was in Linstead, I could actually like carry the bags, go up there. Me remember when this little one was in belly, me could have actually carry stuff. Me I come from market after 10 in the night, guys. And me run carry fruits, everything what they gonna give to my baby mother. And you want to tell me say, no, me and my little daughter I have to try wash clothes here, everything, because she go to the mommy in the hospital. You see me? I mean I tell her, guys, it does really get me upset. Me have to just try to calm, you know, try to do it peaceful. You know, because this a life I'm not used to, guys. You see me? What you want to tell me say is a government prisoner run over here, so when it should be hospital, you know, we looking out for our my mother say look out for our loved one. Then it come like, oh, me see them run over here so directly. It come like say, yo, them don't really care about your patient. Your patient no love like, oh, if them see them cousin or so coming, yeah, them would have say, yo, alright, I'm a family member this, so let me give them 100% of love. It don't work like that, guys. I bet you if it was a nurse on the ward, you know what I mean, and them want to see them little daughter, I bet you them little daughter reach up there, guys. I'm want you tell me if I lie, me I tell guys. Right now, me I tell you, I'm just so pissed off, guys. Me I tell you, me just out by the gate now, leaving the hospital. You know, me I tell you, I was like, I won't say 20 minutes late, and I cannot go into the hospital. Cannot go see my baby mother, guys. I'm just laughing and just seeing that a prison, guys, prison. St. Thomas Princess Margaret Hospital around on that prison life. Yeah, I want the money people in life hurt. Money people in life hurt, guys. What about the poor? What about the poor? Yeah, guys, let's see how this goes, you know. Yeah, I'll go on the ward, go hear what is what now. Yeah, with them also. Boy. Yeah, mother, listen. Mommy there. See the lady there with himself to do the artist. So she a walk like, you know, but they walk set up bad. But they tell her, she a move like, you know, and after 12 then call me. Say me fi come fi boo. And so she a walk to go do artist. I think them easy down here. Tell her them nah no good style down here. Like a prison people there. Yeah, man, some baby mother there up there, so you think I know she up there, up on the second window up there. First floor, second floor, third floor, she did the second up there, so. Yeah. I mean, I tell her, I don't know, she did there, I wait. For them come do the artist. Yeah, come like, you know, a prison there when they're at the hospital at them place, yeah. Yeah, no joke. You guys start to Porter here, Porter. Porter. You can You can assist me by carry this up on the female ward, go give me the mother from please.
The mother?
What?
Yeah,
Up on the female ward.
yeah.
One dress. Then say she must get discharged, but them are wait for the medication now.
What's your name again?
She know.
What?
Yeah. Little princess. Yeah, me is what's your name?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't go there, man. See them?
But you can't go there with the baby. At that time problem, you can't come up with the baby.
The baby is important.
That may I say, if I'm with you, may I ask them, you know? May I ask them, because by right, alright. You want no miss? I'm just saying. I'm not make no fuss. I'm just saying. Alright. My baby mother, they on the ward for another day. And say for instance, I come to visit. Them couldn't just have a little private spot, say, okay, alright, like come there here with the baby. Just go over by that spot and, you know? Then, alright, that's the same reason why I say we should have a special corner for the baby mothers and baby father. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do shortly. I don't mind you could have check in tomorrow evening with me. As me I tell you before, guys, it's like a prison treatment over there. You know what I mean? And more than like you know for help me for this reach viral. Yes guys, we need it to reach viral. We need more help. And I also have a video there where my baby mother in our settee from like the night before, guys, until the next day. Them was like saying they don't have enough bed over there and all of that, guys. Yeah, my people, yo, my baby mother admit from last night and this so she have to sit down. Yeah, man. Them say bed them full up, so this so she have to sit down, guys. Man of them life, you see me? But don't know this one of them days, guys. Him this way I say for our foot then see it to still, you know? Yeah, man. I tell you we need better in a St. Thomas, guys. And if me have to be the one to publish all of this, me I take the time out to do it. It come like say you're a patient, not really, you see me, have no say if you don't have money, guys. Yeah man, look at the big hospital where they must say short a bed every minute. Yes guys, Princess Margaret Hospital, St. Thomas, license. As you can see, a third floor, 3 floor them, 3 story top. So my baby mother there on the 2nd floor. And my baby mother have to stay up there and wave to her daughter downstairs, wave to me downstairs. To tell her the truth, to me shame and feel a way. Yo, I know me never put up my hand, guys, and wave. Me I tell you me feel. You know, when them even telling me that me can't even go up there go see my baby mother, guys. And then me even alright, right after I was there, I saw one young lady come going on the female ward. And they was like, don't walk here, so walk down and go upstairs if you want to go on the female ward. So why not just make me go if I even close then with my little daughter? Say make the baby mother come meet me out on the corridor, you know what I mean? Guys, we have to just laugh, guys. As she say, yo, alright, I was there not too long when me just enter over there and like this big van just pull up, go right at the emergency part. And as me I tell you, more than one time me regular see that happen. You see, the big van drive up there, so many porters there to assist to take out that person. And if it's a taxi come there, a 1 or 2 porter you see. You know what I mean? So just that check the difference. You see 3 or so porter, probably a security you see a run for help. And make a 1 taxi come and see the treatment. Guys, we need this cycle to change, guys. I out on the road me stay a video because I don't want them lock me up for a video upon them premises. You see me? So I come outside and a video. It's my beautiful people, city. Coconut them pack out already, guys. Yeah, man, so I get the ball roll going, man, so fully active outside, man. Because you know, tiredness still up on me. It's a little princess outside with me. Here again, you know what I mean? And today, you don't know, me and my little daughter outside, you know what I mean? Here we're in Kingston right now. You know what I mean? Yeah, as you can see behind us, the jelly them that was picking in the last previous video that we did. Yeah, so right now my little daughter there market. The mom, she is in the hospital right now, so that's the reason why me and I have to out here. So don't worry about it, guys. Everything is gonna be okay, you know. The man just hoping for a speedy recovery and thing, you know. Yeah, man, but they here I go and do the right thing, guys, you know. Play a real father role, you know. So yeah, man, love you guys. Yeah, my beautiful people, this is DJ SWICKED Vlogs. Right now I'm by the hospital. You know what I mean? So yeah, them calls me if I come for my baby mother, you know. So let's see how that goes today, guys. You guys take time in time over by the hospital now, guys. Yes, you know, just stay tuned, you know, and see how it goes today. Yeah. Tell her, guys, miss baby mother. So let's see how it goes, you know what I mean? I'm still at the hospital right now, guys. Yeah, and my baby mother still on the ward. It's like them say call me from 12 o'clock so me fi reach by the hospital to come pick up the prescription to carry go to the pharmacy. And normally when somebody is on the ward, them normally like take their prescription from there and carry it straight to the pharmacy, you know. But them call me say they must come and take it. So when me say to them say you know that normally when the person on the ward, them normally get nurse and go. Yeah, and I saw them I say alright, we will send it on the ward. So I saw make me have to there same way I wait, and not even that, but them even say she fi do a heart test and all now the doctor no reach she do it. And now around after 5, you know, and me I tell her from after 12 then call me, you know, so suppose me they run out from after 12 reach down here. Yo guys, me I tell you it's really rough, but what you do more than just go and hold the faith, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's part of life still, you know? Yeah, babes just get discharged now. Yeah, so don't know, me and I and the little princess the out here. Guys, you see me as I can see the little princess there. So yeah, man, we are see if we can get a vehicle now for head home, guys. So yeah, hope you know guys just comment, leave a comment and let me know what you think about this little vlog. You know what I mean? And like say everything really I put out there in for the media, but you know, you guys need to know a little about us, so you know. Yeah, man, just keep like, share, subscribe, you know, and leave a comment, guys. One love, peace out.